Hi guys, it's your boy from and welcome back to another horrible weather. Look, it's literally, look at the sky guys. That literally right there is a hail cloud and here it comes. Oh my god, that's a mighty heavy hail. That's just a mighty heavy hail. We've never seen anything like it. Jesus Christ mate, that is some mighty hail there. And if you go this way, guys, you'll see it again. This is my room, I'm mean. This is some mighty heavy hail, guys. Dude, you can't really see it that way, can you? Hang on. That, guys, that's some mighty heavy hail. Up there, guys, is that mighty heavy hail. Thumbs up, guys, if you like this video about the weather. Thumbs down if you dislike. Sorry, thumbs down if you dislike, thumbs up if you do like. This hail is really coming down now, guys. Let me just shut the window a minute. Guys, this is a mighty heavy hail. I am really glad I'm not working in this. But guys, this is the heaviest the weather's ever been this month. We've had hail non-stop in this Dawlish. The weather's been non-stop. I don't think it's going to stop. Now if I can show you quickly, guys, without getting the car in the way. See about enough the top, but we're stopping now. But my god, that was a heavy hailstorm. I like that. So from that, you like this video, guys, and I'll be uploading it in 15 minutes. It's me from Crumble. Hello, guys. That's it, guys.